We are going to be cutting open this squishy ball thing, but it has lines in it. See those lines? I don't know. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. What is this, you guys? Oh my. Ew. Blue. Puke. It's blue puke. Now let's flip it out. It's blue. Okay, let's get stuff out. Oh my gosh. Now, oh gosh. It's actually kind of stressful thing. But it's a mess. Here's what it looks like in the inside, and let's look at this slime for a minute. It's like watery blue. It's like whoever made the sign, it needs activator. So, just a minute. I'm a mess. I'm going to go wash my hands, but I don't want to, so I need to, but I don't want to. So, yeah. I need gloves for these videos. I really need gloves. Let me go these videos again. These scissors. This chop. This up my handy. Oh, it was hairy. You were hairy, you guys. He was hairy. Chop, 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 chop. Oh, got a time. Oh my gosh. See this one more time. Careful. Here it is. It's a mess. That's the messy sign. I'm going to try to add activator to this. Okay. So I don't want to. So I'm going to just try to squish this for a little bit. Try to make it like into my hands and not want it to stick on me. Make it stick on some other hand. And it's working. So, yay, it works. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. Hope you smash that like button and bye.